The Carpuride W702B PRO Motorcycle Carplay screen is designed specifically for BMW motorcycles, offering seamless integration with models like the R1200GS and R1250GS. With its 7-inch waterproof touchscreen, this device ensures reliable performance in any weather conditions, making it a perfect companion for long rides. The wireless CarPlay and Android Auto functionality allows for easy access to navigation, calls, and music through a simple Bluetooth connection. Dual Bluetooth connectivity enhances the riding experience by enabling simultaneous connection to two helmets, allowing both rider and passenger to enjoy music or intercom communication. Its sensor light feature automatically adjusts screen brightness based on the surrounding environment, reducing eye strain and ensuring clear visibility during rides. The custom mounting bracket ensures a secure and stable installation on your motorcycle, adding to the overall convenience and user-friendly experience.